what I've done here, I'm building a transmission mount for this transmission. It's a Ford C6, and this is the original transmission mount here, and I've cut it in half, and I've cut it at an angle where it'll slide up underneath the Ford transmission mount. And then I bolt it here. I put a piece of 1/4" steel here. I'm going to weld this in and weld this in up here. Then I'll be able to unbolt it and drop everything down the transmission mount. So the hardest part was figuring out how I was going to do it. And once I figured that out, then everything's going together pretty easy. So I'm close to doing this. I got to build the other one, which look at this. This is the other side. And what's odd about them, nothing really odd, but this end, see how it's tapered? Well, the frame, the outside frame goes in at an angle, so you have to put it in like this. This is where the C6 mounts. The original transmission mount was right here. See these 3 holes? So the original transmission come here. I had to build this. And what I did, I built a hanger that goes on the frame like that. And then it goes, this sits like this, and weld this to the frame, this, when I cut the angle in it, to this piece of 1/4" steel. And then I've got a transmission mount. I've measured the, I've leveled the transmission and put a little dip in it, and everything's going good. I've got here to, for the drive shaft, if you look, there's it's not straight, it's got a little bit of an angle in it, and that's what you need. So everything's going good.
Right on.
So that's it. I'm moving on.
Doing well.
All right, let me put this thing a little bit smaller here. Take this all down and finish welding it. The only thing that I'm going to leave is the little hanger that I showed you. I'll have to weld it on the car.
Okay.
But
to the car.
Yeah, it's part
I see you gusseted the frame where you're mounting it too.
I'm sorry. What?
Looks like you gusseted the frame.
Here?
Yeah.
No, somebody else did that.
Oh, all right.
I think Kenny may have done that. There was some rust in there and they took it out.
Okay.
And it makes it a little bit stronger, but it makes it a little bit more difficult to weld on the front because the metal, the hanger is about that far away from the front. So it does make it a little bit more difficult.
Understood.
This is the end working. Where it don't come apart.
Especially all that 460 power you got. Oh, this thing's got Jaguar wheels.
Yeah,
And they eat.
how about that? This thing's working good today. Okay. Out here on the back, these springs, they're angled in toward the front, and that's probably a pretty good idea. I've never seen it done like that before, but back here they're 50 inches ballpark. And up here they're 34 inches.
Yeah, it's noticeable.
Yes, it's very noticeable. So this is the original rear end. This isn't the original springs. Somebody put new springs in it. You can see with the, I don't know what you'd call that stuff, canvas or whatever, but it's got the things that's supposed to stop it from squeaking, and I don't think those are 1952. And you look at everything, heavy duty springs, and I'm going to use these springs and put another rear end in it.
That thing's built to launch then, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's got a lot of strength. We're going to build a subframe in it from right here up to here someplace, wherever it fits. And
That'll stiffen things up. That'll stiffen things up.
Yep.
Keep that unibody from twisting.
But look how they did this underneath this piece here to hold the rear end. And then they bolted it to the frame on the side here, so you could take these two bolts out and those two back there and take the whole rear end out.
Oh, that's cool.
Kind of an unusual setup, and I don't know if this deal, this bolting in here, it's got to add strength because it's like a triangle.
Yeah.
So
You weren't kidding about this being a Cherry. Look how clean it is under here, Fred.
oh yeah, look at the trunk, it shines.
Yeah, that is wonderful. I mean,
The only place it's got bad places is
floor pan there.
floor pans.
Yeah.
All four places. Other than that, the car is nice.
It really is.
Yes. So,
Nice. Well, a good starting point. This will be a great drag racer.
yeah, it'll be an easier one to do.
Yeah.